What's up, girlies, and welcome to this made-up series that I am calling Do These Cute Hairstyles Work on Fine Hair? Let's find out, because nothing ever does. What is up, girlies? Like I said, I'm gonna start a series of do these really cute hairstyles work on fine, straight hair. This can count for any fine hair, but I'm sure that everybody's hair texture is different. And for my hair, my very straight hair, nothing really ever works on it except for waving it and curling it in very tight curls. So I'm on the hunt for hairstyles that work for people like me with fine and uncurlable hair or very hard to curl hair. So let's get straight into it. Today, I really wanted to try out Kayli Boyle's Beachy Waves because I think it's so cute. It's such a good like summer or fall hairstyle, and as we're going into that transition between summer and fall, I thought it was perfect. So I wanted to see if one, someone with my level of expertise could do it, and two, if it would work on my super fine hair. So just to give you context, I do have a lot of hair, but the individual strands are very fine. And right now it has a little bit of a wave to it. Some days I'll wake up and it has this like random wave in it. I always let it air dry, and this is just how it dries. Today, this morning, I had it in braids, so it has a couple more waves, but even after having it in braids, this is what it looks like. Cue the clip of me trying to curl my hair and it going completely flat. That's the story of my life. It's a really frustrating process to deal with my hair because even though I wake up and it looks like this and I know I should feel lucky that I don't have to do much to it, I don't like leaving it like this just because with my face shape it looks really flat and I don't love it. So I want to find ways that's like easy, quick ways to style fine hair that works for impossible hair. So let's get started. I'm gonna follow Kayli Boyle's
What did he say?
I'm gonna follow Kayli Boyle's tutorial and I hope you guys follow along with me and let's see if this works on fine hair. I would love to know if it works on your hair too, so if you get the chance to try it, let me know. She used heat protectant on her hair as the first step. Unfortunately, I ran out of that. Oops. We're just gonna have to deal with it. I don't do a lot of heat damage to my hair anyways because I don't straighten it. I don't use the blow dryer. And I've only gotten highlights twice. You could see where they're very grown out. So I don't have like a ton of damage to my hair. The ends feel a little bit brittle right now, but that's also because I have very hard water at my house. So I don't have heat protectant. I ran out and I haven't gotten more, I know. But the first thing I'm gonna do is turn on my curling iron. She uses a 1.25 inch barrel, and honestly, I don't know how big this one is, but I have a feeling it's a little bit bigger than hers. But the only other one I had was a super small barrel, so I figured for a more beachy wave look, I'd want to use the bigger one rather than the smaller one. I'm only going to put the heat at the 20 mark. I'm not really sure what that means on this. I'm going to take the top half of my hair and clip it up so I can focus on the bottom half. The first thing that she says to do is to really make sure your hair is brushed out and not tangled, because if it is tangled, you're basically just curling those tangles into place, and that's when you end up with the really weird lines in your hair. So she advised that you try this without your curling iron hot first, which I kind of did, but I'm also very impatient. So I just did it on one strand and I was like, I'm a pro, I got this, which I don't know if I would say that. So let's start. So I'm on my left side of my hair, so I'm gonna do what she did and clamp down a little bit further down, and I'm gonna roll it away from my face. I'm gonna hold it there for a second. I'm getting very disoriented in the mirror. Uncurl it, move it down, and curl it away from my face again. Undo it, go down, and last time, curl it away from my face. I feel like I have never curled my hair like this. Let's see how this looks. Moment of truth. What is that? Oh wait, actually, can I see the vision? Or does... think I need to try the smaller barrel. I don't think I have enough hair for this. You're back. We're back with a much smaller curling iron. As you can see, it's like a big difference. So I'm gonna turn this one off and use this one instead, just because I feel like because my hair is short and it's fine, I don't need to be using that big of a curling iron. But the only other one I had was a super small barrel, so I figured for a more beachy wave look, I'd want to use the bigger one. We have some guest appearances. Say hi, Nacho, and hi, Milu. Let's try this again. I don't know if this is hot enough yet. So I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna curl it away from the face. Ow! Don't burn your ear. Uncurl it, go down, away from the face. Maybe I should take a bigger section. Uncurl it, go down, away from the face. It's becoming like my mantra. Uncurl, go down, away from the face. And this is how I burn myself.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Maybe I need to go get like my styling spray and try that and see if it helps, because this isn't working. It just went back to straight. Okay, I'm back with the Kristen S texture spray, because I'm hoping this is like a miracle. And I'm gonna actually start with like the back. I'm gonna start with a new section, because maybe a new section gives me like new hope. I'm gonna take a bigger section this time, because she kind of uses a bigger section. Texturizing spray to the rescue. Okay. Down, away from the face. I'm gonna hold it there for a few seconds longer than I did before. Uncurl it, go down and away from the face. Uncurl it, down, away from the face. She did say you could leave your ends out, but mine are barely out. And then there is a spiral. There's a spiral. If I run my fingers through this, is it gonna go straight? Actually, it kind of looks like a beachy wave. Okay, let's not get too excited, because one piece out of my whole head. Let's keep going. Okay, from now on, I'm not gonna brush them out until we're done, because she lets them kind of sit there. I guarantee you that this loose of a curl will fall within a few hours on my hair, or within an hour, if we're lucky. So I'm gonna use more texturizing spray at the end, as well as hairspray, and just see what happens. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's the best spiral we've gotten so far. Okay, we're getting it, we're getting it.
I've liked it, I've liked it.
We'll do the bangs last. Let's leave this and let's do this side. I get very confused on like what way to hold it in your hand for the other side, so I'm gonna watch a little bit of her video to make sure I do it right. Okay, thumb. Down, away from the face. Thumb, down, away from the face. Okay, I'm done with the bottom layer, so I'm kind of just gonna clip it off and then work on the top. Okay, so she sections it into 3 different sections for her top layer, but I have fine hair, so I don't need to do that. Otherwise, I would literally, there'd be no point. So we're just doing bottom layer and top layer, and then I'm gonna spray some extra texturizing spray on it, and then we'll brush through it, see what happens. She used rollers for her bangs, but I don't have any, and even if I did, they don't work on me. So we're just gonna use the same technique that we're using on the rest of the hair. Enjoy the montage. We're done. Okay. It's looking a little funky right now, but it's held the curl. So I'm gonna spray some extra texturizing spray. This stuff comes out strong. She brushes through it with a brush, but I'm gonna start with my fingers just because I know my hair and I know it falls. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna show it before I brush through it with a brush. So this is what it looks like before I brush through it. I can't see what it looked like from the back, but I think it turned out really cute actually. And it wasn't that hard to do. It probably took me a total of like 20-ish minutes, and that's just because I've never done it before, but I can see how she says once you do it a lot, it becomes so easy. I'm just gonna brush through it a little bit and see what happens. So this is when you brush through it lightly. I do like this look too. I like it like this too. They're a little bit too clumped together on this side. I don't like it when it's not brushed through very well. Usually I'll just mess with my fingers because my hair always falls. I could have gone closer to the root in the back. I know that it probably starts like lower down, but I think it turned out cute. And it's very volumized. I know that texturizing spray, I could feel it in my hair. I don't know why I never used that, but it turned out really cute. It's really like, it's a very casual curl. That's why it's a beachy wave. I'm kind of obsessed. So, does it pass the fine straight hair test? My vote is yes, but it definitely takes practice. This might be one of my new go-tos, because imagine if you did like little buns, or like even if you put your hair up with this hairstyle. It looks really cute. Okay, Kayli Boyle, thank you. Go check out her video if you haven't already, but she's a big YouTuber, or a really good YouTuber. I keep looking in the mirror behind the phone and it looks so pretty. It's so like, you feel me? You feel what I'm saying? Like my hair, I get so happy when my hair actually curls just because it like never holds a curl. We'll see how long it holds this. I'll put it in the description, or I'll put it on screen like how well my hair held it through the day. But I really like this. I'm really happy with it. I'm glad it turned out well, because at the very beginning, I was losing hope a little bit. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can follow along. Leave a comment of what hairstyle you want me to try next, or if there's another YouTuber or an influencer or content creator that shares hairstyles that you want me to try, and we can do those together. If you have hair like me, let me know, raise your hand, because I know it can be frustrating with fine hair mixed with very straight hair that just doesn't hold anything. It can be frustrating for sure, but there are things that we can do, and this is one of them, and I'm excited about it. So let me know in the comments if you have hair like mine and if you have other hairstyles that you want me to try. But that is it for today. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button if you like this video. I will see you next time. Bye!